In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons on Webflow. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place clickable icons on your site that link directly to your social profiles. First, go ahead and log into your Webflow account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all of your projects. Find the site you're currently working on, hover over its thumbnail, and then click the option that says Open in Webflow. This will launch the designer, which is where we'll be adding and configuring your social icons. After the designer loads, navigate to the part of your page where you want your social media icons to appear. This might be in your footer, your header, or maybe in a dedicated section for social links. Make sure you click on the element or section where you want to place the first icon, so Webflow knows where to insert the new content. Now, press the letter A on your keyboard. This is a shortcut that opens the Add Elements panel on the left side of the screen. In the search field of that panel, type link block. When it appears in the list, click it and drag it onto your page, dropping it exactly where you want the icon to sit. You'll see a link block placeholder appear on the canvas. As soon as the link block is selected, its link settings will show up just above it. Here, make sure the link type is set to URL. In the URL field, paste or type the full link to your social media profile, such as your Facebook page, Instagram profile, or LinkedIn account. This step is what makes the icon clickable and directs visitors to the right place. Next, press A on your keyboard again to reopen the Add Elements panel. This time, search for Image. Drag the image element into the link block you just created. With the image selected, look at the image settings and click Choose Image. On the left side, you'll see your Assets panel. If your social media icon is already uploaded, simply select it there. If not, click the Upload icon in the Assets panel, choose the icon file from your computer, and wait for it to fully upload. Once it appears in the Assets list, select it to apply it to your image element. With the icon now visible, you can tweak its size, spacing, and alignment from the right-hand settings panel to match your design. When you're happy with how it looks, simply repeat the same process for each additional social media platform you want to add, creating a new link block and image for each one.